Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. I want to apologize for missing the last few days. We have had some power and internet outages in my area, and I've been out of my home office, so I have quite a few job leads to bring to you today if everything will cooperate with me. So without wasting any more time, today's job lead is from the company Get Set Up. Now, Get Set Up is a growing online community of older adults that want to learn and do wonderful things. Some of the classes that are taught through Get Set Up are language classes, older adults wanting to learn new languages, among other things. And they are looking for a part-time community specialist to be the key person in ensuring that every learner receives a high-quality experience before, during, and after each class. So in this role, you will log on to the ongoing live classes and monitor them. You'll replay the classes to ensure that every learner in the class got the Get Set Up experience, and you'll be involved in engaging with the community members in chat, answering their questions and solving their technical problems. So besides monitoring all live classes and replays, you'll have to quickly respond to incoming questions, comments, and concerns that are in the chat. You'll moderate the classroom with other interactive spaces to ensure everyone is following the community guidelines. You'll respond to any technical or critical issues in the Zoom learning environment. You'll create support tickets and escalate them up for learners who need additional help. You'll also be tasked with creating response templates based on the most frequently asked questions so that you can document that and have a reference guide for learners in the future. Now, they do schedule shifts 4 to 6 hours at a time. You will be required to work some weekend shifts for a total of 20 to 28 hours a week. They are looking for someone who has 3 years relevant work experience, ideally in teaching, hospitality, or customer service background. If you've been in a learning environment with older adults, that is a plus. You've got to have excellent verbal and written communication skills and be a great communicator. You've got to be a doer and a thinker, and you've got to be empowering to others, and you love to help others learn. The hourly rate for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $20 an hour, and it does state a candidate's salary is determined by several factors, including to education, work experience, location, and everything else. Now, because this is a part-time position, there is no benefit package with this position. As always, if you are looking for something specific, please leave that in the comments below with any education or experience that you may have. I am always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am looking for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.